Welcome to R2 Resident Apartment Tour. I'll take you through. This is the entrance for the apartment heading to the lobby. Our main target group are college students and security is very important, so we have 24/7 guard security. Everything has to be key access to all the utilities, facilities that they want to use. R2 Resident has a total of 6 floors, including the lobby, more than 60 rooms. We provide many things similar to a condominium, such as we have elevators as well. Facilities that consumer can use are a gym, washing, drying for their clothes, co-working space, parking lot for free without any extra charge. We provide 4 sizes of room: 26.5, 31, 33, 38.5 square meters. This is the smallest room of 26.5 square meters that consumer can come and check out the room to see what furniture we provide and how the room is structured. Every furniture will be the same in all the rooms and all the sizes. Everything will be the same. The only difference is the size of the room, but the inside furniture is all the same. As you can tell, this is the biggest room of 38.5 square meters, and the furniture we provided is still the same as the smallest room. The view of the fitness room is really nice because you can see the main road, and the size of the room is very big, lots of space, with the quality of the equipment we have chose to use, which is better than some of the equipment that is included in some of the condos. This is the co-working space, which is 24 hours access as long as you have the key cards. It is all included in the rent already. We have plenty of washing machine and drying machine, and everything is all on the same floor, which is the fitness room, co-working space room, and the washing and drying machine. Our car park is first come first serve, but mostly not everyone uses car because they just walk to school. Hope you liked our apartment tour, and if you're interested or concerned about anything, you can always come check us out at the site or contact us. Thank you for watching. We want to be one family.